Hey guys, welcome to Johnny's Country Kitchen. This one is a fan request, actually more of the media suite request. As it's that time of the year, hunting season's in, so that means we're making deer steaks today, guys. So we're gonna get started cooking. Hang on. All you're gonna need: skillet and your choice of deer meat, whether you want the tenderloins or the money muscle. Hey guys, so I've gotten a few questions about what the money muscle it is when it comes to cooking deer. Here, so if you look at the graphic I have here it breaks down everything. And so in this instance, we have the tenderloins, which is the back leg rounds. That one's good for the steaks and stuff. We also have the rump, which is another one that's good for steaks, jerky, and your normal stuff you see when it comes to cooking deer. But the money muscle I'm referring to is the loin, the back straps. Probably has some of the most tender meat to it whenever you're cooking deer. Same with the shoulder. Those also have some real good tender meats, and those are the real big money muscles you got to look into whenever you're cooking steaks. In this case, I'm using the back straps on the ones that I'm using. Therefore, or that's the one money muscle I love using. Hang off of that. Also good to use the shanks. And it's real good for making deer burgers, but that's a story for another time. Alright guys, now we got it on the stove. We're going to go with medium heat here. But just so we don't burn anything up inside, this helps give it a little bit of flavor. Oops. Take care of that. A little bit of butter. About that far in. Into the frying pan. Now, while that's starting to cook, seasoning time. Classic Italian. Black pepper. Wrong one. Salt. Chili powder. A little bit of garlic over that. Evenly. Alright, now we just let that cook and we'll mix it in here in a couple minutes. And actually, I'm going to start cutting some of that now. Already. Wish we had smell-o-vision here so you guys could actually smell what I'm cooking right now. And I'm not taking a jab at the rock. Turn the heat up just a little bit. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to let that cook until it starts turning that little browning color. Or don't want any of the red, unless you like a little bit in there. There, when we come back, I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do next for the sides. Alright guys, these are pretty much done. I cut a couple of them open earlier to see how they are. But that's about the color you want on the bee inside. It still has a little bit of pink, but like it's not going to kill you. So, take those out. While I'm doing this, I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit because I want to save some of those juices. And the small bits. Set that on the table. Now, over here. There you go. Throw the onions in. A little bit of olive oil here. Black pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of Italian, some garlic powder, tongs, add this. Mixing these up. Like I said, I wanted those juices in here. They're from deer steaks. Add some extra flavor to those. Now we let those cook down. About 5 to 10 minutes on there at medium heat. We come back, guys. I'm going to show you the final product. Well, actually, you don't want to miss that. Alright, guys, welcome back. We're going to get the sides going. So I got some mashed potatoes I'm going to throw in the microwave real quick. Normally I would do actual ones, but due to time constraints, we don't have that kind of time. So, off to the microwave we go. We got garlic bread. Let's check on these bad boys. Oh yeah, that's the color we're starting to get here that you want them to turn. Still got a little bit of red in there. Here, so probably about another 5 to 10 minutes or so. Let that all boil off. That's the juices and that butter that I put in there earlier. So something else I'm going to do with them. The only time you're going to see me cry on camera is cutting onions. Now, how I'm going to do these, I'm going to cut them into rings. Once that's all done cooking there, I'm just going to throw them right into the juices, and away we go. Oops, I botched that one. A little bit there. Oh well.
Can I put a safety PSA right now?
Yeah, that'd be, yeah.
So do not cut the way he's cutting. You should actually be holding your hand like this, kind of like a C around the onion, so that your fingers aren't getting anywhere near the blade. But he don't do that.
Yeah, I cut my own way. Doing strong, strong, strong. I don't know if I can remember how to do that right. Not sure what's burning worse, my eyes or my nose right now.
Don't do that either. Don't do that.
I didn't touch them with my hands because if I touched them with my hands, it'd been a lot worse. I know.
Still, don't do that.
I don't know who nags me more in the kitchen, you or Abigail. Probably Abigail. Alright guys, let's get into the final product here. These. Alright, now this off. Let's try it. Perfect. Got a bigger bite than I thought. Alright guys, that's going to do it this time for Johnny's Country Kitchen. To our producer Gary Smith and our remote studio, to my friend Arian behind the camera, as well as let me use her kitchen this time. Till next time guys, this is Johnny from Johnny's Country Kitchen, signing off.